On today's episode of things that don't need haircuts, but they got haircuts, tragedy, betrayal, love and deceit, and more betrayal. Hope you enjoy the final product.
Hey guys, this is my attempt to style Woodstock's hair. Since I saw that they had done something new with it, I saw, but I brushed it out, just like parted it apart. You know, the way you do with curly hair, part it, and then you brush it out. So I brushed it out, I have it all brushed out and stuff. So I'm going to be applying the conditioner, and I'm just going to set them there. I'm trying to get this thing out. Now, what we want to do is really get into the fibers, like really deep into the fibers, you know, with the conditioner. Because I don't want to damage it. And see if we could style it like this with the conditioner. There's a lot of hair, but we can do it. You know, they cut it like a super special type of way for his hair. I tried not to go for the roots down here, but may have accidentally got a root or two, so we're done with this part. Well, actually I need a lot more, but for right now it looks good. You know, compared to this side, you know, like this side looks a lot better so far already. So now once you rinse it out and, you know, style it, it's gonna look good. But yeah, how was all your folks' day? Sounds good. Alright, and now we're gonna go in, you know, from the root. Well, we'll try to go from the end to the root. You know, try not pull at it and stuff, you know. Don't want to take out too much hair and like ruin it. Yeah, we need a lot more for the back look. Still kind of fluffy. What do you think so far? Looking good, huh? I think like this, it looks a lot more accurate. And then when we part it like this, I want it to kind of go like that, curl it with my finger, you know, just finger curl it and separate them, separate the strands, and then we'll go for like a more, like, you know, type of look. I think it's more accurate. Oh, like that. And I could just, you know, see what's up. We need a lot of conditioner. Just to really soak it through. Just a little soak. Because some of it's still dry. If it still feels dry to the touch, it doesn't have enough. And most of it kind of seems a little moist, but it's not like too dry. Like, so hold on. Heck yeah! I really like these cute little things on top of their head. Just looks nice. Looks aesthetically pleasing. It looks really cute. Let's see. Just want to hurt the poor child. No, I'm just Alright. Let's see. As you can see, like, while we're doing this, it just increased in volume and just looks very nourished, if you will. And like, look, you can even see a little 6 they did, you know. Go in on the thing. Yeah, like thin, you know. I know that's part of the look, but I wanted to see how I'd style it too. So I think this looks pretty good too. But what we're gonna do now is brush it while it's conditioned. So I want to hold the back of it and then brush against my hand so it won't pull, and do it slowly and gently so it won't pull at the root. You know, do from the end to the root. So just so I can get that perfect. Just so I can see now. Look at that. Looks a lot like, I don't know. At least the way I would imagine so. Or keeps auto-focusing on the heart. Now let's go for the back. And then after this, I'll probably just rinse it out. Style it like that. See, now the back, I didn't accidentally take too much from the root, and it looks nice too. No? Well, I actually might just cut it to even it out a little. I know that's not the point of it, but I could honestly just like try for what they're going for, but unless I should just leave it. So if I leave it, it'll look, you know, like that. So let me just rinse it out first. And I'm gonna commence God, what have I done? These scissors are too dull. Might go back in with the detangling brush to help me out, but yeah, I only got so many hands. I just want to give it that edge, you know, give it like a crisp you know, flavorful look. You know, give it that, you know, unstoppable type of thing. Because look at these compared to the one I just showed. Like, the ends are very, not like edged up. I'm gonna go like this way. And then afterwards I'll use a spray bottle and go at it with water to style it more, but like, 'cause look at the top. But now if I go like this and angle it this way, freaking scissors are dull as heck. What is it doing? No. It's like parting it, sort of, but not the way I wanted it. It's gonna look styling. It's gonna be out here getting all the female or male birds. Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful. But I'm gonna be out here getting the chicks. Not like that. Not like the young. You know what I mean. Getting all of the people, you know, that they want. And I gotta edge this up real nice and crisp. See that? Nice and crisp. And a little more closely, I think. Would be better, huh? Let me curl it more so it doesn't. See, as you can see, that little edge I did. Well, now you can't see it because it's all spread out. Wait. Yeah, like, see, like this whole edge over here. Might do over here too, but I just don't want to take too much off. See, like that. I'm gonna try to do this one. Frick! Oh, dang it. Thing's not cooperating with me. Like, the heck? All you gotta do is let me cut you. That's it. And then you'll look like a mwah, chef's kiss. Beautiful. Like a beautiful. Yes. It's exactly what I meant. Okay, I have these like fingers in the way, so I can't edge it correctly. I know I'm probably supposed to do it from here, right? But it's just that, you know, with the camera and stuff, it's kind of hard to go from that way, you know? But hey, it looks pretty good. I just wanted to do it to the tip, not the whole, you know, thing. Let's see how it's looking so far. All the tips look very nice and secure. Look at this. Look at this. Now I put just the 3 in the back because he, you know, actually has just 3 in the back. More in the front, which is weird because he has less in the front but more in the back. I think that looks pretty legit. You look pretty legit, man. Look at you. Alright. I didn't mean to choke you there, buddy. Sorry. Alright. Give me a second.
Now check this out. A lot more wet. Lot more wet. I feel like this Woodstock might be jealous of this Woodstock's hair. Because look at it. You can just, like, use your finger and, you know, put as many or as little as you want. This one I got in, let me see, 2011. You will never live up to his standard. Kidding. Alright, and let's see what shade of red we'll be using. This shade. We're gonna give you a little stuff on your stuff, you know? Let's see. There we go. Look at ya. Beautiful. Stunting on him. Wow, look at that. Gorgeous. Now, the final thing, I'm going to be using a pink microfiber cloth. Oh, this beautiful little thing. Look at him. Now this Woodstock's really jealous. It's like, what the heck? Alrighty. And a piece of resistance. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. It is probably going to look a little fluffier once it's drier, but for now it looks beautiful. Oh, shoot, I accidentally swiped it down. You could gel it up so it could stay this way. But yeah, no, I think it looks pretty good if you ask me. Pretty good. Alright, well, till next time on the next episode of new and improved haircuts for plushies that, I don't know, needs haircuts even though they have one. And there you have it. Final product. I mean, they seem happy. So, until next time.